We have decoded the human genome. Robots perform surgeries. And yet, every year, millions of people around the world die from cancer. So how is it possible that despite all this advancement, we still cannot fully defeat cancer? This is not just a simple explanation. This is a deep dive into the biology, genetics, and medical science behind one of humanity's greatest challenges. 1. Cancer, a disease or a biological process. Scientifically speaking, cancer is a disruption of the cell cycle. Normal cells divide, perform their function, and undergo programmed death, apoptosis. These processes are tightly regulated by DNA, genetic signaling pathways, intracellular proteins. However, when mutations occur, cells ignore death signals, begin dividing uncontrollably, invade surrounding tissues. This process is known as carcinogenesis. The fundamental cause of cancer is genetic mutations. These mutations affect three major classes of genes. Proto-oncogenes or oncogenes normally regulate cell growth. Mutation, uncontrolled proliferation, and tumor suppressor genes. For example, in puberty, this gene destroys damaged cells, but when mutated, control is lost. DNA repair genes, responsible for fixing genetic damage. When defective, the mutations accumulate. Cancer cells sustain proliferative signaling, resist growth suppressors, evade apoptosis, enable replicative immortality, induce angiogenesis, activate invasion and metastasis, reprogram energy metabolism, evade immune destruction. Cancer cells do not act alone. They exist within a tumor microenvironment, which includes immune cells, blood vessels, stromal cells. This environment protects the tumor, promotes growth, creates resistance to therapy, even within a single tumor. Now, cells are not identical. This is called intratumor heterogeneity. As a result, one drug cannot eliminate all cells. Some survive. The disease returns. Cancer evolves according to these Darwinian selection principles. Weaker cells die. Stronger ones survive. More aggressive variants emerge. This means that even during treatment, cancer can become more resistant and dangerous. Main treatment approaches. Chemotherapy targets rapidly dividing cells, but also harms healthy cells. A radiotherapy damages DNA. A surgery physically removes the tumor. The problem: limited selectivity, significant side effects. Immunotherapy enhances the body's immune response against cancer. Notably, breakthroughs in this field were recognized by the Nobel Prize. CAR-T therapy. Patients' T cells are genetically modified to target cancer cells. A precision medicine. Treatment tailored based on genetic profiling. Because cancer is not a single disease. It is highly genetically diverse. It constantly evolves. It originates from the body itself. This makes it one of the most complex challenges in all of medicine. Statistically, early-stage cancer, high survival rates. Late-stage cancer, significantly lower survival. Source: World Health Organization. Cancer is not incurable. It is extraordinarily complex. Science is solving this problem step by step. And for the first time in history, we may be closer than ever to turning cancer into a manageable condition.